Hello students, today we will study application of derivatives. Whenever we are talking about derivatives means dy by dx at any point of the curve, and in this topic tangents and normals are very important subtopic in application of derivatives. Now as we already studied in Rowe's theorem and mean value theorem or in other chapters that how we are using dy by dx at any point on the graph. Now again I am revising here. You just see this is the equation of curve y is equal to fx, and at this point there is x1 y1 is a point on the curve. If we draw a tangent, that is the line drawn in such a way which touches the curve at x1 y1, then this line is named as tangent to the curve. And whatever angle, say this line is making angle theta, then we can say that this tangent is making angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Now if we draw another line which is perpendicular to this tangent, say this, then this line is called normal to the curve at x1 y1. And now you can say that slope of this line tangent and slope of this line normal, say this is m1 and this is m2, then we know that if two lines are perpendicular to one another, then m1 m2 is equal to -1. We already studied in lower classes, class 10. Okay, now we are going to derive the equation of this tangent. Say this is the point at x1 y1 where we are drawing the tangent. Then at this point dy by dx at point x1 y1 is slope of the tangent, and this can be measured with the tangent of this angle in the positive direction of x-axis, say tan theta. Okay, and then equation of this line by using slope point slope formula, y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. By using point slope formula we can find the equation of this tangent. And another thing, since normal is perpendicular to the tangent, then slope of normal m2 say is equal to -1 upon m1, or you can say -1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 y1. This will be the slope. Now again equation of normal will be y minus y1 is equal to slope of this normal, again using the same formula, point slope, that is -1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. This will be the equation of slope, or you can cross multiply here and you can change in other form y minus y1 dy by dx at the point x1 y1 plus x minus x1 is equal to 0. This way we can find slope of normal. Now with the help of this concept we will solve few problems from this chapter. Now this is the first question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 1 within one bracket, within another bracket x minus 2 at the points where curve cuts the x-axis. All of us know that if any curve cuts at x-axis means their ordinate will be 0 at that point. That is, taking y is equal to 0 in the equation of the curve, we are getting three values of x, that is plus 1 minus 1 and 2 by using zero product rule. First of all, x square minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to plus minus 1. We'll take both the values, whether positive and negative in this case, and then coordinates will be in this way because the y coordinate 0 in all the cases. In this way, the slope of this curve, just find out the dy by dx of the curve and then putting the value 1 comma 0 in the first one we are getting minus 2, in the second one we are getting 6, and in the third one we are getting 3. Now in this way accordingly we can find equation of tangent, that is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point into x minus x1. This is the formula for the equation of tangent. Using this formula for the first coordinate 1 comma 0, then y minus 0 dy by dx at the point 1 comma 0 into x minus x1. The first tangent we are getting y plus 2x is equal to 2. Second tangent in the same way minus 6x plus y is equal to 6. And for the third coordinate, that is 2 comma 0, we are getting by using the same formula y is equal to 3x minus 6. This is all about this question. Now in this question, find the equation of normal to y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is parallel to the line 14y plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. With the help of this, we can understand that if the condition is given that the slope is parallel to any given line, we know that if slope is parallel to this line means we will find the slope of this line, and with the help of the point dy by dx at the point slope of this, and then that will be equated because in case of parallel the slope will be equal, m1 will be equal to m2, and with the help of this we can find the coordinates on the curve where we are going to draw the normal, and then we can use the equation of normal. Now you can see, let x1 y1, previously we can let that x1 y1, then we can see that there will be two coordinates, that doesn't matter, but once we start the question we'll start with x1 y1 taking single coordinate, be the point on the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, then dy by dx to this curve at the point x1 y1 is 3x1 square plus 2, and then this way this is the slope of the tangent as we just studied, and then the slope of normal will be minus 1 upon slope of this, and that is minus 1 upon 3x is 1 square plus 2, and then the equation of line is given here, 14y plus x plus 4 is equal to 0, transposing and changing in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, then equating with this we can get the slope is minus 1 upon 14, and both will be equal because this is given condition according to the question. After equating we are getting two coordinates 2 comma 18 and minus 2 comma minus 6. Now we can find equation of normal by using the formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to this slope, that is slope of normal into x minus 2, and by transposing we can get equation of normal x plus 14y is equal to 254, and another equation that is x plus 14y is equal to 86. This is all about this question. Now in this question, find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 3 whole square where tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 3, 0 and 4, 1. Now here, according to this condition, then first of all we find the dy by dx on this curve at the point x1, y1, and then that will be equated to the slope of the line joining the points 3, 0 and 4, 1, and this way we can find the point on the curve. Now start with the solution. Let the point on the curve be x1, y1, and given curve is y is equal to x minus 3 whole square. Then differentiate this with respect to x and putting x1, y1, then we are getting slope of this is 2 within bracket x1 minus 3. Let this value is m1, and then in the same way in second case, that is slope of the chord joining the points 3, 0 and 4, 1 is 1 minus 0 upon 4 minus 3, because we know that by 2-point formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 within bracket x minus x1, and using that formula the slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 0 upon 4 minus 3, and this is coming out 1. Let this is equal to m2, but you are given the condition that this is parallel, so using this condition m1 is equal to m2, we are getting x1 is equal to 7 by 2, and putting, since the points lie on the curve, so this must satisfy the equation of the curve, so putting this value in the equation of curve, we are getting y1 is equal to 1 upon 4, and this way the point on the curve will be 7 by 2 and 1 by 4 within bracket. This will be the answer. Now next question. The equation of tangent at 2, 3 on the curve y square is equal to ax cube plus b is y is equal to 4x minus 5. Then find the value of a and b. Now in this question you can see that the equation of tangent is given in another form, that is y is equal to 4x minus 5. It means this way, after finding dy by dx on this curve at the point 2, 3 can be equated to the slope of this line y is equal to 4x minus 5, and using this identity we can find the value of a, and then after substituting this value of a in the given equation of the curve we can find value of b. Now see here, you are given the equation of curve y square is equal to ax cube plus b. Differentiating with respect to x both sides, we are getting 2y dy by dx is equal to 3ax square, and this will be 0 because of being constant. Okay, and then dy by dx is coming out 3ax square upon 2y. Then at the point 2, 3, this is after substituting the value in place of x2 and in place of y3, we are getting dy by dx at the point 2, 3 is 2a, and this will be same as 4 because this is given that the equation of tangent on this means slope will be same as the slope of the given line, and that is equating this to 4, that is slope of this line a is coming out 2, and after substituting this value of x, y and a, we are getting b is equal to minus 7, and so this is what we have to find out. Now next question. Now find the equations of the tangent and normal to the curve x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, at t is equal to pi by 4. This is of the type parametric function in which x and y is the function of any third parameter t. Then in this type of function we are differentiating dx by dt and dy by dt. Then after division we can get dy by dx, and that will be the slope of the tangent. So at point t is equal to pi by 4 we can find the value, and likewise we can write equation of tangent and normal. Now see here, x is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t. Differentiating with respect to 2t we are getting minus sin t and cos t. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, which is coming out minus cot t, and we have to find out tangents and normal at t is equal to pi by 4. So substituting this value t is equal to pi by 4, we are getting x and y 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So the given point on the curve is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Now slope of the tangent, that is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point into x minus x1. Putting this value we are getting tangent x plus y is equal to root 2. In the same way, equation of normal y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point into x minus x1. Now minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point, this value will be positive. Then substituting this value in the given equation, we are getting the equation of normal is equal to as x minus y is equal to 0. This is all about this chapter, tangents and normals, and this way we have done all possible types of questions from this chapter. You can download few good questions from my website given in the description. Thank you.